Let me show you how to make my favorite soft and chewy banana oatmeal cookies. They are deliciously cozy, and they are perfect for breakfast. They bake up soft, smell like a warm bakery, and they are the kind of cookies you will want to make again and again. To make these easy banana oatmeal cookies, start by adding 1 1/3 cups of rolled oats and 1 cup of raisins to a small bowl. Then, pour 1 cup of hot water over the oats and raisins. It should be just enough water to cover everything. Let it sit for a few minutes while you get the rest of the ingredients ready. Next, melt half a cup of unsalted butter and pour it into a large mixing bowl. Next, peel 1 ripe banana and add it to the melted butter in your mixing bowl. The riper the banana, the easier it will mash and the stronger the banana flavor will be. Also, add half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt to the melted butter, then add half a cup of light brown sugar. Use a fork to mash the banana and mix everything together. Keep mixing until the banana is mostly smooth and the sugar is stirred in, so you have one evenly mixed bowl with no big banana pieces. While I am mashing the banana, say hi in the comments and let me know where you are watching from so I can see who is here. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to the bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then, add 1 egg. Give everything another good mix until the egg is fully blended in and the batter looks smooth and even, and then leave it aside for a moment. Now, place a strainer over the bowl and drain the soaked oats and raisins. Use your hand or the back of a spoon to gently press on them to squeeze out the extra water. Do not smash them, just press until they stop dripping so they do not water down the dough. Then, scoop the drained oats and raisins into the mixing bowl with the banana mixture. Soaking the oats and raisins makes such a big difference because it helps the cookies bake up softer and chewier. Stir until the oats and raisins are fully mixed in and everything looks evenly combined. Next, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to the batter. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix until everything is fully combined, and you do not see any dry flour left. While I am mixing this dough, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps my videos reach more people, and it means you will not miss the next baking recipe. Next, take a parchment paper-covered cookie sheet and scoop the dough onto it. Leave a little space between each scoop so the cookies can spread as they bake. You will probably need to bake them in 2 batches so the cookies are not crowded. Bake the oat cookies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes. The cookies are ready when the edges look lightly browned and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Then, scoop the rest of the dough onto the cookie sheet and bake the next batch. Or, cover the dough and keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Then bake whenever you want a fresh and warm cookie. These soft and chewy banana oatmeal cookies taste like oatmeal raisin cookies with a cozy banana muffin vibe. The texture is soft and thick, with a chewy bite from the oats, and the raisins give little, sweet, chewy pockets. The cinnamon gives the cookies that warm and cozy flavor, and it feels like a real grab-and-go breakfast cookie, not a super sweet dessert cookie. If you like oat cookies, you have to check out my other oat cookie recipe too. It is over 140 years old, and I made an updated version because I was missing 1 ingredient, but the cookies turned out so good. Check it out now!